Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I am going to show you how to use this laptop as a monitor for a different laptop or PC. So in order to do that, you'll have to connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. So make sure that your device and the other PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then go to Start menu, open Settings, then go to Bluetooth, go to System, and scroll down to Optional Features. Now in Optional Features, you should install Wireless Display feature. To do that, click View Features at the top of this menu and search for Wireless Display. I don't have this feature here now because I already installed it, but to install it, simply hit the checkbox next to it and click Next, and then wait until the feature is installed. And once it is, you have to go to the Project into this PC option in System again, and here change this one option to either available everywhere or available everywhere on secure networks if you have a secure network. Then you can also switch this toggle to the left if you want to disable if you want to use this feature when your PC is unplugged from the power source. Okay, and now let's switch to the other device. So once you connect the other device to the same Wi-Fi network, all you have to do is use the Windows K combination of keys, and your laptop, your MagicBook will appear on the devices list. Simply tap on it, then confirm the action on your MagicBook. So click OK, and the projection will start. So now everything that happens on this monitor will be transmitted to that one, and you can check the quality of the transmission yourself. Let me just move the camera. Okay, and you can see what it looks like. We can try to stream the video.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Harvesting Zone. Today I'm going to show you how to manage the ANC mode and the transparency mode.
And as you can see, it's actually pretty good. There is almost no artifacts, and the video is pretty smooth. Unless there is transition here, you can see it kind of freezes during the transitions, which means that it's probably not a great way to cast your game, for example, but generally speaking, even videos look kind of smooth with this connection type. And now to stop the transmission, you can either press Windows K on your second laptop and select disconnect on the list, or you can just close this window on your HONOR laptop, and this will also stop the projection. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.